As many of you are aware, I've been talking about Telcoin on the channel for many years now. I'm a big fan of Telcoin and what they are trying to accomplish, and I think that they are going to be a leader in the space. And so today I want to talk about how you can earn a passive income through the Telcoin app by staking Telcoin. I'm going to be showing a tutorial on how to do that. And so if you enjoy this video, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. And let's go ahead and jump right into it here. And so a lot of people are not aware of this. TEL distributes 3.2 million Telcoin. They just started this a couple of weeks ago, and they distribute this every single Wednesday based on the trading that takes place on the platform. And so the Telcoin that is staked, you get a portion of the trading fees from the people that are referred and the trading that is done on the Telcoin app. And so first off, you need to be a user of the Telcoin app, and so you have to download that. You have to enter another user's referral code within the application. So there is a referral code underneath the video if you are interested in using that. And you also have to stake Telcoin through the application to earn a portion of the 3.2 million Telcoin every single week. And so based on the current price of Telcoin, right around 0.006 right now, that would be about $20,000 per week that is distributed. However, if Telcoin goes back to its all-time high around 6 cents, they would be distributing about $200,000 of Telcoin every single week. And I think that Telcoin can go beyond the 6 cents that it hit before. And so we could see a large amount of Telcoin being distributed every single week to people that are staking and using the Telcoin app. And so this is very beneficial for people that are holding on to Telcoin. This is definitely something that I highly recommend doing. And so first off, to get started, you will need to download the Telcoin wallet, which is available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store as well. And so this is very simple to do. You can go ahead and download that, and then you can create an account with your name and phone number, and then there is a verification process. And so once you have downloaded the Telcoin app, you are ready to start staking and earning through the Telcoin app. And so you do need a referral code for that, and so there is a referral ID right here that you can use. This will also be posted underneath the video. And so let's go ahead and take a look at this video clip here.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Telcoin app Stake and Refer video tutorial. Today, we're going to walk through how you can participate as a TEL staker and how you can earn referral fees for driving adoption to Telcoin DeFi products. To do this, you'll need some TEL in your Telcoin wallet and another user's referral link. Let's begin.
And so this video does a very good job showing how to stake the Telcoin. However, to get here, you need to have money on the Telcoin wallet. And I am asked all the time, how do I get funds on the Telcoin wallet since it must be transferred on the Polygon network? And so I'm going to be showing how to do that here through Weex exchange. There is a link underneath the video if you're interested in using this platform, and you can transfer funds from other exchanges over to Weex, and then you can transfer funds from Weex to the Telcoin wallet. And so as I mentioned, this must be on the Polygon network. You can transfer many different cryptocurrencies over here. They do have a list of all the supported coins on the Polygon network. And so you can transfer any of these coins over. For this example here, I'm going to be using USDT. And so if we go back to Weex exchange here, I'm going to select USDT, and then I'm going to say I want to withdraw on chain. I'm going to change the network from TRC20 down to Polygon Matic here. And then once I have selected that there, I'm going to go ahead and paste the withdrawal address from the Telcoin wallet. And so the Telcoin wallet has a deposit button in the top right hand corner. Once you select that and then you select USDT, it will provide you with a withdrawal address, which you will paste right here. And so once that is all filled out, you can go ahead and send funds over to the Telcoin wallet. One thing I do recommend doing is a test transaction, right? Do it with a small amount of money first. Transfer $5 and make sure it works. And then after that, you can transfer the rest of the money. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of this video here, showing how to stake Telcoin.
First, you need to navigate to the Earn TEL tab in the Telcoin app. On the home screen, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like 3 little lines. The side menu will open. Tap Earn TEL to visit the Earn TEL portal. The first time you use Earn, you will be presented with a pop-up box that provides a brief overview of the Stake and Refer program. We will come back to this in just a moment. The Earn TEL portal has 3 tabs: Stake TEL, Refer Friends, and Claim TEL. In order to participate as a staker, you will need to follow these 4 steps, which we will walk through today. Step 1. Enter another user's referral code. Step 2. Stake TEL. Step 3. Refer friends. Step 4. Claim. Step 1. Enter another user's referral link. To unlock the ability to earn TEL, we first enter another user's referral link. To do so, tap the info circle icon in the top left corner. An info sheet will appear detailing the process. Tap enter referral code and add your friend's code. Congratulations, you're nearly a staker. Step 2. Stake TEL. To learn more about staking and the referral fees you can earn, tap the info circle icon next to Stake TEL in the Stake TEL tab. An info sheet will appear with stake amount and referral fee rates. For some background, the percentage of transaction fees you earn as referral fees, or your referral fee rate, is based on how much TEL you have staked. At the minimum, if you stake 1 TEL, you earn 15% of your referred user's transaction fees, or referral fees. At the maximum, if you stake 100 million TEL, you earn 42% of referral fees. Now, let's stake some TEL. Tap the blue Stake TEL button. Enter the amount of TEL you'd like to stake. A preview of your new referral rate will be shown. Proceed to confirmation. Confirm your stake request. When complete, you'll be able to see your stake TEL balance on the home screen, as well as within the Earn TEL portal.
And so you can see there how to stake Telcoin once the funds have been loaded onto the app. And so as it mentioned here, the more Telcoin that you are staking, the more you can get for a referral fee rate. And so we can see here, if you're staking 10 Telcoin, you can earn 15%. However, if you're staking much more, let's say 1 million Telcoin, you can earn 34% of the trading fees. And so you don't only earn the 34% of trading fees, you also get a portion of the 3.2 million Telcoin that is distributed every single week based on the volume that is being generated on the platform. And so one other thing I want to mention as well, if you are staking 10 Telcoin, you max out based on the payments of the 3.2 million being distributed. And so if you're only staking 10 Telcoin, they can only pay you out 10 Telcoin. And so if you're staking 1 million Telcoin, then they can pay out up to 1 million Telcoin. And so that's something else to keep in mind as well. If you're wondering why you are not getting paid out as much Telcoin as you should be based on the referral volume that you are generating, it could be because you do not have enough Telcoin staked. And so definitely keep that in mind based on how much you are generating or trading on the platform. And so if you enjoyed this video and found this information to be helpful, do me a favor and hit the like button and share this video with others in the Telcoin family. Thanks so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.